Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore a new AI video maker tool. This video is divided into 3 chapters. In chapter 1, we'll show you how to create a video using a 3D talking avatar with the help of ChatGPT. In chapter 2, we'll showcase 14 different avatars from various nationalities and languages, including English, Spanish, Russian, Portuguese, Hindi, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, and Indonesian. We would love to hear your feedback in the comments section, so please let us know which avatar model you like the most. Let's get started. Step 1. Register for AI Studio using the link provided in this video's description to obtain a free trial version. You can register using your Google account or email. Step 2. Once the registration process is complete, click on the Create a Free Video button or log into your dashboard. Click on the ChatGPT icon to start generating a video with ChatGPT's help. Step 3. Type your command or prompt. In this video, we'll ask ChatGPT to create a video about how to become more productive. Select your desired template, and then click Create Your Video with ChatGPT to start generating your video. Wait for the process to complete. Step 4. Once the generation process is complete, you can either start rendering your video or customize it to meet your needs. You have the option to change the avatar, avatar voice, avatar style, object position, or background using stock images or video stock. Additionally, you can add background music to your video if needed. Step 5. Once everything is set up, click the Export button and choose the video option. Wait for the rendering process to complete.
Make a to-do list. Write down what is urgent, important, or both, and review it regularly. Remove non-essential tasks or delegate them.
Turn off notifications, set specific time slots for email and social media, and find a quiet place to work. Use noise-cancelling headphones or a white noise app to block out noise. Use tools like calendars, timers, and scheduling apps to plan your day. Estimate how long tasks will take, and break them down into smaller steps. Take breaks, but avoid multitasking. Set realistic goals, celebrate milestones, and focus on the benefits of completing tasks such as increased confidence, sense of accomplishment, or free time. Cultivate passion for your work by finding purpose, pleasure, or challenge in it.
We hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.